Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. After seeing my thumbnail, you all have understood about today's makeup look. This is an inspired makeup look, which is Param Sundari song makeup look. Guys, I am not Kriti Sanan. I just want to recreate this makeup look in my own way. Especially this eye look, I just love this. So after very long time, I am in front of you guys with lots of expectation. Also today I am going to use some expensive makeup products. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look step by step with more details, then please keep on watching. At first I am using a Wet n Wild Rosy toner, and after applying it you need to dry it. Now for moisturizer I am using the Nutridam moisturizer. Now for primer I am using the Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. If you have combination skin, oily skin with lots of pores, then you can use this primer. It will cover all your pores. For covering my dark circle and dark patches, I am using the Forever 52 concealer. This is in the shade CV005. This is exact match of my skin tone, and this is truly superb. So I love this concealer. For blending this concealer, I am using this concealer buffing brush. You can use any kind of beauty blender or any kind of concealer brushes. Always use a dab process to set your concealer, otherwise it will be removed off. Always use a beauty blender to blend the concealer or foundation properly. I am using the PSC beauty blender. You can use any kind of beauty blender which you have already. Now for foundation, I am using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC40. This foundation gives you medium to full coverage, and if you have dry to combination skin or dry skin, not extremely oily skin, you can use this foundation. For blending this foundation, I am using the Real Technique foundation blending brush, and after that I am using the same PSC beauty blender to blend it. This beauty blender is so stunning. Also every makeup artist has this beauty blender. So you can use any kind of beauty blender. Nykaa has also very good beauty blender. iMagic or Real Technique. These are also very good. Now I am using Huda Beauty concealer. This is a full coverage concealer, so whenever you apply it, take a little amount of it and apply on your applicable area. After using the brush, I always use a beauty blender to blend my foundation or concealer properly. If you don't want to use it, then you can skip it. Always set your concealer with a loose powder, and for this I am using RCMA loose powder, and please remind it should be the minimal amount. Also I am using it to set my eye base. Now from Juvia's Place Master Squad eyeshadow palette, I am taking this color and apply on my transition color. Always use a big fluffy blending brush for your transition color. Now I am taking this color and applying on my crease line, also all over my eyelid area. In Param Sundari song, Kriti Sanan's eye look was a very neutral brown or oranges kind of eye look, so I am applying this color. Now for liner, I am using the Inglot gel liner. This is truly pigmented and superb. Maximum of makeup artists use this gel liner on their models and on their brides. Now I am smudging my eyeliner with a pencil brush. Because of this is a smoky eyeliner look, so I am creating this. Now I am taking this color and applying on my smudging lash line to create an smoky eyeliner ombre effect. Similarly, I am taking this gel liner and applying on my lower lash line with the same brush. This pencil brush is from BH Cosmetics brush set. Now I am blending my outer corner and create a small smoky eyeliner. Next, taking this transition shade, I am applying on my lower lash line with a flat brush to match up my eye look. Again, taking the dark color, I am applying on my eyelid to darkening my eyeshadow and blend it seamlessly. Now I am using a powder brush to dust off my excess loose powder, otherwise it will be cracked. Now using the similar process, I will be complete my second eye. Now for bronzer, I am using my Glam Pose HD bronzer. This is a very good bronzer. It has two shades. You can use these two shades as your contour and as your bronzer. Now using the same shade, I am doing my nose contouring also. Now for setting my full face, I am using the MAC Studio Fix Compact Powder in the shade NC41. I have already done my eyebrow offline, so I am setting my eyebrow hair using the NYX Brow Fixer Gel to fixing up my brow hair. For darkening my lower lash line, I am using the Forever 52 Gel Kajal. This is truly pigmented, guys. If you want to purchase a very good kajal, then you can definitely go for it. In this video, Kriti Sanon has a mauve or nude blush, so I am using the Sugar Cosmetics blush. Shade number will be mentioned in my description box. Now for setting my full face, I am using the Smashbox Primer Water, and for highlighter I am using the Becca Champing Pop highlighter. I am using this highlighter all the highest point of my face using this PSC highlighter brush. Before applying the mascara, I am using the eyelash curler to lift it up my eyelash, and for mascara I am using Estee Lauder mascara. Also, I am applying the mascara on my lower lash line. Eye makeup is incomplete without using any lashes, so I am using Caloeless Angels lashes in the shade CS03. I am using the middle one. In this Param Sundari song, Kriti Sanon wear a peachy nude lipstick. For that, I am using this color. At first, I am using the Kiko Milano lip liner. Then I am using the Nykaa Liquid Matte lipstick in the shade Gua Hottie. After that, I am using the Sugar Cosmetics lipsticks. All the shades are in my description box, so you can check out that. I just love this lipstick because of this color. This is not orange and not nude and also not very peachy. So this is my full makeup look without hairstyling. Now I am wearing the jewelry which she wear in this song, this black oxidized jewelry, and also I am trying to match up my dress color with her dress color. So please leave a comment below about my full and final look, how it is. And if you want to any information about me, then you can check out my description box, and also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagrams. All the social links are listed down in the description box. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it. Then take care, bye bye, love you all, thank you for watching my videos.